Good evening. Welcome to M1's shortened news in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. Hungary saw the second day in a row Sunday morning with around 4,000 new coronavirus cases reported in a day, while the number of patients being cared for in hospital is also increasing, the chief medical officer reminded. Cecilia Müller called attention to the importance of individual responsibility and following the rules, since, as she said, that's the only way to avoid having too many patients in hospital. She added that that's also why rules about mask wearing in public will be stricter starting Monday, and explained that masks are proven to stop 80% of virus transmission. The disinfection of schools was still ongoing around the country on the last day of the fall school break. Soldiers also helped in specialized cleaning in 60 institutions. These schools were selected because they have had several coronavirus cases recently, so the military's specially trained hazmat technicians carried out the disinfection there. Soldiers finished in Híradó on Sunday, where they had to disinfect 3 schools. Healthcare industry specialists' wages will be 20% higher from November 1st, the Ministry of Human Resources announced on Sunday. In their statement, the ministry wrote that the wage increase program for nurses, launched in 2018, has arrived at its 3rd stage. Their income grew by 14% in January and will increase by an additional 20% now. As a result, all healthcare specialists now make 42% more than 2 years earlier, the ministry wrote. The government is spending €224 million on the salary program, and it will affect the earnings of 81,000 specialists and 4,000 welfare officers. November 1st is All Saints' Day and November 2nd is All Souls' Day in Hungary. Lots of people visited cemeteries this weekend. There was an increased frequency of public transport lines that stop at cemeteries around the country. Authorities ask that anyone using public transport wear a mask while waiting in the stop and also while riding. Mask wearing is compulsory in enclosed spaces like flower shops, and it's recommended in open spaces. Because of the pandemic, many Hungarians have decided to avoid crowds altogether and remember their loved ones from their homes. Hungarians have been spending a lot less since the appearance of the novel coronavirus, a new report by the financial institution shows. We've saved money by buying less clothes, spending less on entertainment, and eating out at restaurants. The only exception is money spent on essential food items. Many of the survey's responders said that they're saving up to be able to cover any unexpected healthcare issues. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it anytime online. Thanks for watching. Wear a mask. Good night.